Hello everybody, mugabiimran here with another Wix tutorial. In this video, we are going to look at how to extend your domain name. So let's get right to it. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification button. That way when I release a new video, you'll be notified. Anyway, so to extend your domain name in Wix, simply go to your dashboard, Wix Dashboard, log into wix.com. If you already have a website, it will just take you straight to your website dashboard like you're seeing right now. So go to your name or your profile and click on that drop down button and go to domains, which shows all your domain names that you have bought or that you have connected to your website. So I'm going to scroll through and find my domain name, the one that has expired. So click on extend registration. Alright, so this one takes you to this page where you're going to choose an extension period from 1 to up to 3 years. So I'm going to choose only 1 year. Great. So click on continue. And then the next thing is the private registration. Now, private registration is first of all the feature that allows you to protect your client's info from getting stolen by hackers, and also prevents spam and junk mail. It basically guards your domain name from attackers. Great. So I already have a card or a payment method connected to this account, but if you don't have one connected, in fact I have a number of them connected here. My credit cards, credit debit cards. I also have a MasterCard which is connected to my Airtel mobile money phone number. If you don't have a card from the bank, a credit or debit card from the bank, you can use your mobile money Airtel to connect that MasterCard Visa virtual card. Alright, so next, if as I was saying, if you don't have a card connected, those are two ways to get a card. So the first way is to register a bank account and then request for a credit or a debit card that you can use for online payments. The other way is to connect your mobile money to a virtual MasterCard that you can use as a Visa card for online payments. Once you register with the MasterCard and Airtel, they are going to send you a message that includes the card information, for example the card number, the expiry date, and this CVV or the 3-digit code on the back of your card. Alright, so that's the information. That is the information you are going to put right here. Your name and your address that is related to this domain name, the contact information that Wix will use to contact you if the domain has any issues. And then lastly, you're going to have to choose I am legally authorized to save this payment method on my ATM account or whatever that is. Anyway, so this is simply to make sure that the card you are entering up here is yours. Now that we have saved payments, I will choose one from the saved payments and just click on submit purchase, and that's it. That's how you extend your domain name. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, be sure to hit the like button and share the video with your friends, and also remember to leave some comments so that the YouTube algorithm can send the video to other people that need it. And if you haven't subscribed, be sure to do that, and I hope to see you in the next video.